So hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you on how to get Spotify Premium for free in 2026. So let's get started. All you have to do is go to the website called couponsland.net. So you guys can see I'm already in this website and there are many different kind of games, NBA, Roblox, Horizon and many different games and their codes. So for now I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the second page. So alright, as you guys can see, free Spotify Premium. So just go ahead and click Get Code, and also it is valid for 12 months. So alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and click Show Code, and it's verifying coupon and it's processing right now. So I'm just gonna give it a second. So alright, and if you guys want more of these videos, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends, siblings, or anyone. So alright, finally we're at almost at 100% and almost done, and our code is nearly revealed. So first of all we need to verify ourselves, so I'm just going to verify myself. And alright, so sometimes it shows error, so I'm just going to go ahead and try it again. So alright, as you guys can see, it's verifying right now, and finally our code is successfully revealed. So I'm just going to show you real quick by typing in here. So it's SPOT-7UJM dash 7FHDR 7FHDR dash 5BGT. So as you guys can see the code here, and it's the same code. So I'm just going to go ahead and click continue, and you guys can see now all you have to do is click the redeem code and you'll be ready to go. So I'm just going to click it. So finally we're at premium now. So now you guys can go ahead and enjoy your free Spotify Premium for 12 months.